Hey guys, Dr. Gould here. I just wanted to talk to you for a second about masks. So a lot of people are wearing these type of surgical masks or masks that you see that basically protect you from droplets. And these are actually not what we need in the hospital. I mean, all masks are great in the hospital at this time. But alternatives to this are the N95 masks, which you've seen commercially available, which I don't even have because they're so hard to get. And as a solution to that problem, something that I've been working on with a few 3D printer companies is a 3D printed mask. So this is a mask that comes from a 3D printer, and this is the Montana mask. Here's another one which I was able to print from a 3D printing company. This respirator mask comes with a piece that fits on the inside of the square part right here, and this allows you to take filter material and then press it between these two pieces to provide this filtration barrier, which you see here, this green material. This is from the design that came from Montana. They call it a Montana mask. Billings Clinic in Montana was where they designed it, and it's 3D printed based off of the specifications of the surgeon's face. It fits like this perfectly on there. Another design that we've been working on here is a design that comes from George Washington University. Some friends of mine actually created this design, which I like for several reasons. It's got this outer chamber that fits over the inner chamber. In the inner chamber, you can fit any number of filtration barriers. They can fit right on the surface of this. You can use things like furnace filters for your air conditioner, like you hear going in the background, or vacuum bags, all that have 0.3 micron filters. The key to knowing whether or not it works is by putting the mask on, putting the filter in the correct chamber, and then doing a fit test with some materials that we have in the hospital in order to identify whether or not it's blocking the sufficient number of particles to give you some protection. Regardless, even if these things are not FDA approved and they're not produced commercially, they do provide a barrier and they do give us some protection from what's around us. So in the future, I'm trying to print several hundred of these masks. I'm going to probably be launching a GoFundMe page or something like that, or teaming up with people that already have funds to print several hundred of these masks to get to healthcare providers in different hospitals around Los Angeles, so that they can fit them with their own filter, they can keep them clean, and they can wear this mask like so for the duration of the pandemic if need be. The masks are great because not only are they soft, not only do they fit nicely, you can modify them by putting foam and soft protection on the inside. They also, if you heat them up, this material molds a little bit, so you can heat the mask up by dipping it in warm water, then push it onto your face, and then that will allow you to mold it perfectly to your face in some regards. All right, so more coming up soon, but for now, just want to say stay safe and stay indoors, and help us however you can by helping us get PPE to the front lines. This is one way to do it. If you have a 3D printer in your area, just shoot me a DM and I'll send you the file that you need to print this out so you can have it in your own community. Or if you have questions about how to get it done or how to get it to the right places, just let me know. Thanks and have a good weekend.